Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share with you the works that we finished in Toyota Estima 2009 import version. So this car is directly import from Japan into Australia, and we spent a lot of time talking with the owner from the very first day back 2 months ago. And initially we came up together with the idea to fit in a custom system of the 7-inch over here. Why 7-inch over here before? Because this is import version with the top selection from the factory. So it comes with the 360-degree camera, it comes with wiring steering wheel control, and it comes with the sat-nav navigation and GPS thing over here, and screen, factory screen, and also it comes with the roof DVD as well, which you can see it here, right here. So the point is that we spent time to work into the system, and we couldn't have it running at the very first day with those steering wheel control setting. So we enough decide that okay, we will custom fit a parallel system of the 7-inch in front of the dashboard here, and that, you know, just in the front of the driver's seat, and it will run parallel with the factory system. So it will remain all of the steering wheel control and also 360-degree camera. And more important is that the car actually has the factory amplifier and a bunch of speakers, which is a premium sound system. So we want to keep all of the factory thing. That's why we fit in and custom build the special 7-inch touchscreen full package in the front here. And we also built with the dual dash camera recorder, front and rear dash camera directly into the head unit. And also we have the built-in wireless tire pressure monitoring system that built inside the head unit together with the car system. So at this moment you can see that it's not 7-inch anymore. It is currently a 9-inch touchscreen. That it is the work of the second custom work for the car. Okay, so it is what it is. It is the best we could do for the car model, and it is the one that we spend so much time, efforts, and doing the job as nice as we could and as the best as we could. The head unit, the 9-inch system now, full feature of the wireless app CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and USB CarPlay, USB Android Auto, and it has everything that the owner wants to have inside. And also it has a built-in very strong amplifier with the digital sound processor controller inside here, so it definitely brings the sound nicely into the car. Very nice. You can see the video is running right there, which actually running from here, from this head unit into that one. And if I turn on the volume now, you can hear the volume. That is beautiful song from Band, and with the singer Taja. We love them, and that's big credit for the video, Nemo. So back to the system, we can run the system independently. We can run it parallel together into the car. So for example, now if we are driving and we don't want to see the video, we don't want to see this screen, we don't want to see the rear screen over here, you can see that we don't want to see the roof screen, then we actually can just simply turn off from here. Okay, so we just switch it and it's off. Okay, we custom build it as the demand, and we just turn it on by demand by the system. And how about if in case we want to see something with the reverse camera, but we don't reverse the car, we can press the button over here and quickly you can see the camera show up on this screen and that screen all together. Okay, so that is the way that we custom build this system. Okay, and we end up finishing everything as the best we could. For the second time of the custom work with the 9-inch, it actually came back with a static noise in the system. It's very strong static noise, and it happened when the car is idling, and also when increase the acceleration, the static noise was greater, I mean. And we spend so much time going around that, find the root cause and fix the problem. So now the static noise is gone, 100% gone, and the sound is beautiful. It has the boost up amplifier from the head unit system, and then transfer the sound into the car and make the sound so nice, so smooth and so deep. Talking about the reverse camera, at this moment we have two camera at the back end, so you can see that when we put the reverse, you can see our new camera is here. The new camera is here, and it comes with a dynamic steering wheel guide light. So if you see this, you see the dynamic guide light is moving. Yep, so that's the dynamic guide light. It tells you that okay, the car is reversing into something. Okay, and at the same time you also have the factory camera over there. Now that actually works really nice together, because at this moment you can see on the screen here is that the 360-degree camera comes up after we reverse, and the Apple CarPlay comes back straight away as it was on the screen before. Okay, so you don't miss the function from Apple CarPlay, and you don't miss the factory function from the 360-degree camera when you are driving. And also, as I said, when the driver is driving the car, if he wants to watch what is behind the car, he can just flick the switch and it will start telling him anyone behind the car following or tailgate or whatever. It is what we custom build on demand. And just quickly go around and look at how the camera at the back end is fit. The reverse camera. Now you can see here, it is fully custom fit out there, and it looks like a dual factory camera over here. That is about the camera system. And on the screen here, that is very easy to access and control with the wireless Apple CarPlay as well as wireless Android Auto. Anything it comes up, and built-in setup navigation, so everything is ready. Yeah, so just spend a few seconds into the song Paradise that is presented by Taja and Sharon. Okay, a big credit for them. They're beautiful. So definitely we are so happy with the sound, because because of the combination of the amplifier inside the head unit here and with the factory amplifier, so you can feel that all the speaker boosts up nicely. It's so nice.
There comes a time to take a stand. The wheel is watching all that keeps on burning. The venom works, it's like a curse. A Trojan horse when you'll be alert. The wheel and body's all that keeps you turning.
That's beautiful, that's so deep and that's clear. So yep, that is the way we actually custom fit our system. Now it is 9-inch touchscreen into the factory Toyota Estima 2009 import from Japan. So yes, if you want to have a look at how the wireless Android Auto is running in this car, just have a look at the other video we have. And yeah, thank you for the time and see you on the next one. So you can see that the steering wheel control setup here will work parallel with the system too, and the next step is just another steering wheel cover, and it will make it look nice inside. Okay, so thanks again and see you on the next one.